Good morning, everyone. This is Leanne Allegretto at the National Weather Service in Missoula, bringing you the next several days' worth of weather and associated impacts for our region. Here is the current satellite for today, Thursday, which is when I'm recording this. And I put a little red arrow there just to show you that our next system that's expected tonight is coming in off the Oregon and Washington coast. And it will spread appreciable precipitation across portions of north central Idaho and western Montana. And then if you look further west, you can see the big dip, if you will, in the clouds that go around that low pressure area. That will be our next weather maker. And you'll see that we're just going to continue to get different waves of moisture off the Pacific as it remains very active out there. And it will obviously impact us here in the Intermountain West over the next several days. So here's the key points. Like I said, an active pattern through at least the middle of next week. Could go longer, but I'll get into that. Waves of moisture from the Pacific Northwest entering the Northern Rockies, followed by brief drier periods. So it won't be just an all-out washout all the next 5 or 6 days. There's going to be, breaks in between. But snow levels will be steadily lowering during this time, especially this weekend. And valley snow will be possible in northwest Montana and west central Montana by Sunday, possibly even larger area. And we can expect for daytime temperatures to be around or below normal during this time. So here's the general pattern trend. Like I said, we're going to stay in that trophy pattern. You can see the low pressure just off the Pacific Northwest coast. It edges into Idaho and western Montana, and it continues to stay there right through about midweek. And we don't start to see that pattern change until right now, which is about Wednesday of next week into Thursday of next week. We start to see a ridge build over the California, the axis was right over California, Oregon, and Washington. So, looking more near term, here is the projected model reflectivity of precipitation beginning tonight and through the day Saturday into Sunday. And so it's kind of scattered. It's not fully widespread, but everyone will see some precipitation during this time. And like I said, this is an estimated model projection of precipitation late Friday through Sunday. And as I mentioned, snow levels will lower to roughly 2,000 feet at their lowest, and that should happen by Sunday. And so light snow will be likely over all mountain pass roadways and will become more likely down to valley floors by Sunday. And if you want, please pause this slide if you want to continue to see, or linger on this slide if you'd like to see this animation a little bit longer. So looking at the passes individually, Marias Pass will start to see slight increases in snow accumulations beginning on Friday, then a short break, and then start again on Saturday and well into Sunday when we see that bigger push of moisture enter the region. And you can see in the temperature graph below how temperatures really start to just lower continuously after Saturday. Here's Lookout Pass, kind of the same deal. Start to pick up some light accumulations Friday into Saturday, and then the Saturday night into Sunday period is when they pick up their most accumulations. Lolo Pass on the left and the Upper Lochsa on the right. Again, Saturday night into Sunday is the key time period for snow accumulations there. Lost Trail Pass, a little different because most of the moisture is going to stay north, but you will start to see some accumulations tonight, Thursday night into Friday morning, and then again during that Saturday-Sunday period. Georgetown Lake area, Phillipsburg, in and around those higher elevation valleys, you'll see some light accumulations Saturday night into Sunday as well. So here's our threat matrix. Obviously, we have wind highlighted for today, Friday, because it is going to be, not today. For tomorrow, Friday, wind is going to be an issue on Friday. Snow at passes, an impact for just about everywhere. And then as that wet system comes in Saturday into Sunday, we start to see snow at passes, then a transition down to snow everywhere, which includes valleys in northwest Montana, west central Montana, and southwest Montana. And then Monday into Tuesday, we see just a slight amount of lingering precipitation causing low impacts. How does it look looking out 8 to 14 days? Well, our neck of the woods does stay wet, or at least it should remain wet for most of the days during this time, but we do stay slightly above normal for temperatures throughout this period. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Our next briefing will take place on Sunday, November 7th, and just a friendly reminder that Daylight Standard Time begins this weekend. See you later. Have a good one.